Hello guys, welcome to Tech Foundation. This is a new tutorial series on programming embedded systems with Arduino. In this series, we will learn how to program Arduino controlled devices using a system that we have designed called MABEL. These tutorials have been designed to target absolute beginners in both electronics and programming, and I hope to make you a master of this field by the end of this series. Like in the field of art, the best way to learn anything is by doing it. So I encourage you to follow these tutorials and diligently practice everything that you are taught. It is not going to be easy initially, but trust me, if you persist, you will eventually make it. I am going to pay much attention to the bases because I believe that if you can manipulate the bases, you can build anything. So please, don't be in a hurry to skip. Make up your mind that everything that I teach you is very important and it should be treated as such. Our WhatsApp and Facebook pages are very active. So if you want to join, please send me an email and I'll send you a link to join. I hope to take you through a nice ride through this course. Don't forget to leave your comment and subscribe to this channel. Also, I will encourage you to share this amazing gift with your friends and families. If you are ready, then let's get started.